Hello, you are welcome to GMats class. Now, can you solve this problem? X raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus 5x raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, now how do we solve this? Start by saying let x raised to the power of 1 over 3 be equals to p. So if this is p, then this equation turns to x raised to the power of 1 over 3 raised to the power of 2, which is the same thing as what we have here, minus 5 x raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 6 equals to 0. So then we have p squared minus 5p plus 6 equals to 0. Can you see that now? So we can solve this now. So this is a quadratic equation. So you look for two numbers such that when you multiply together, you have plus 6. When you add together, you have minus 5. What are the two numbers? We have minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so now this equation turns to p squared minus 2p minus 3p plus 6 equals to 0. Alright, now so look for the common factor. What is common? What can go here and can also go here? Alright, so that is p. P can go, so p goes in p squared, we have p minus 2. Alright, so what's the common factor here? That's minus 3. So minus 3. So when you divide this by minus 3, you have p. When you divide this by minus 3, you have minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so now the common factor here is p minus 2. P minus 2. So we have p minus 2. So when you factor out p minus 2, you'll be left with p minus 3. You have p minus 3 equals to 0. So these are two numbers multiplying each other to have 0. So it's either p minus 2 is 0 or p minus 3 is 0. Okay, so you have p equals to 2 or p equals to 3. Hope you get that. Alright, so but don't forget we are looking for x and not p. So now p is the same thing as x raised to the power of 1 over 3. So let's substitute. So when p equals to 2, we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals to 2. Now what do you do now? You take cube of both sides. So of both sides, so we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. So this cancel this, we have x raised to the power of what? 8. Okay, so now let's look at the second one. So when p equals to 3, so when p equals to 3, then we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals to 3. So you take cube of both sides, so you have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so now this cancel this, you have x equals to 27. So these are the values of x. I want to believe you've learned one or two things. Kindly share this video with your friends and also drop your comments. Thanks for watching.